my DMV vegan food tour. Come along this journey of exploring vegan food spots in the DMV area. What's up, y'all? I'm back for my DMV vegan food tour. Today, I am in Mount Rainier, Maryland. I'm back at Doda's Kitchen, but I'm at a different location, okay? So make sure you check out my last DC vegan food vlog, and you'll see how my first experience was that made me come back. So let's see what this location has to offer. Come on, let's go. Okay, so Doda's Kitchen is a vegan food spot where you're going to get all your comfort food. Your kale, your greens, your mac and cheese, your chicken, your General Tso's cauliflower, your yams, your green beans, and your desserts, y'all. So that's something I love about Doda's Kitchen. The food feels very, very comforting. Shout out to Shaded by Soso. Now, here's my sister's plate, and she is not vegan by any means, but she had the crab cakes, the seafood mac and cheese, and the sweet kale. She loved it. Here is my plate, doing the most. I had yams, the General Tso's cauliflower, and the spinach lasagna, which is my absolute fave. Okay, so my plate is a 2 entree, 1 side plate because the spinach lasagna and the General Tso's cauliflower, those are both entrees. Y'all, this food was so good. Now, the yams was okay, but everything else hit bussin'. I would definitely get both of those items again. And my sister loved her plate. She said she would get that food again, too. Now, the carrot cake, okay? Now, this vegan carrot cake. Now, I had to eat just the next day because that first day was just chaotic. I was eating a lot. Now, I was reading the ingredients, so I was like, well, what's in this? Because this tastes very sweet and healthy. Now, this is a good carrot cake, but if you're a sweets person like me, it probably ain't gonna hit. All right, so now we're in Alexandria, Virginia. Now, this spot we're going to is not an all-vegan spot, but they have a lot of vegan options. So we went to Troy's Italian Kitchen, and I have been here before twice, okay? I really do love their vegan options. Now, they are located in a plaza, so make sure you take your time finding a location. It may be a little confusing. Here's what I ordered. I ordered the chicken tikka masala pizza, 100% vegan. I know, this is interesting. Then I got their vegan wings. I got half mango habanero, half gochujang, which is like a red chili paste flavor, okay? Then I got a vegan red velvet slice of cake, because why not? Y'all, look at these wings. Look at these wings. These y'all look so freaking good. I could not wait to get into those. Interesting. What does it taste like? Regular pizza? Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm.
I did a blind taste test. You know what?
Oh, okay. No, this is the tikka masala. I just wanted to see if you could taste it.
I don't like all this cheese. Whatever.
Look, that's what happens when you let somebody try your food and they don't like it. Okay, so we are starting with the mango habanero wings, and they are so good. I also got a side of ranch because I love to go ahead and dip my fake chicken into something creamy. Okay, so these wings are really, really good. I thoroughly enjoyed them.
A
piece of what?
Then
Just take whichever one you want.
can't see.
Well, then if you can't see, then you don't need it.
Quite nice.
Really? Like a red pepper?
I mean the meat.
The sword?
I've never next time that way.
This was my first time trying gochujang. Well, I like this. I like this gochujang, whatever it's called. That's good. Moving right along to Ann Pizza. Ann Pizza is not a 100% vegan spot, but they do have vegan options, okay? So Ann Pizza has a few locations in the DMV area. My sister was getting something, so she asked me if I wanted something, and I was like, yeah, why not? So I got the basic vegan knots. Y'all, let me say something. These knots were so good. I came back to Atlanta to see if there was a Ann Pizza down here, and there's not, and I'm sad. But I'll be all right. All right, so I did a lot of eating out, but my mom decided to make me a Beyond Burger with nothing on it. So here we are, but the toppings was on the side, and I appreciate her. All right, so I was hungry later on at night. So there's a spot called Silver Diner. Not 100% vegan once again, but they do have vegan options on their menu. As you can see, there's an assortment of things that are vegan or vegetarian. So I got the Impossible meatless taco bowl. Y'all, these tacos were so freaking good, and that quinoa salad was good too. So I would definitely go back and get this again. Guac was good. It was hidden. All right, y'all, this DMV vegan food tour is coming to an end. Last spot The last spot on this tour. Back at Doda's Kitchen, okay? Back at Doda's Kitchen. This is a different location. We are in District Heights, Maryland. And I really love Doda's. So that's why we're back. I'm going to try something new. So come on, let's see what I'm going to try. Okay, so it was a late Sunday afternoon. On Sundays, they do offer a Sunday brunch, so I just wanted y'all to see that. And this location had some different type of dessert options. So I was like, okay, that's cool. Maybe you get something new at each location. And as you can see, you know, we kind of getting whatever's left, you know, about an hour before closing. Okay, so for dessert, I did get the strawberry cheesecake to switch it up. All right, y'all. So I'm over here just so happy to be eating Donuts again. And guess what? I got the same thing. The only different thing I got was a different side. I got the sweet kale. Now, the reason why I got the same thing, because I just knew I couldn't go wrong with my faves, y'all. But their kale is definitely hitting. I want to know how to make sweet kale. Anybody got a sweet kale recipe? Drop it down below in the comments. And hey, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now for all your lifestyle content. Now, once again, the food was hitting. The General Tso's cauliflower was good. I tasted some of my sister's mac and cheese, which was straight. It was decent. Wasn't all that. Then, of course, my spinach lasagna once again. Okay, so the strawberry cheesecake. I never tasted the strawberry cheesecake, so this was something new. I was like, oh, okay, it looks like really red. It looks nice and good and tasty and creamy. Okay, so I was like, okay, let me give it a taste. And I'm just like, oh, okay. Well, back up, Mom. She was trying to get a piece. I was like, hold on, I'm recording. And I was like, okay, this is good. This is different. This is interesting. But that particular flavor, I wouldn't get it again. Just a few bites is all I needed, and I gave the rest away to my family. Thank you all so much for tuning in to this DMV vegan food tour. If you have any other restaurant suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you all for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.